Well, we're on our last field for Kansas. So that means we're gonna finish this field and then get the combines ready to load up. That being said, we had to go pick up the header trailer and get that ready. So that way we can pull headers off and then go back to the fairgrounds. And there goes Tessa's hat. But the first thing to do this morning is fuel up and grease. So in yesterday's video, I was talking about how we have to cross this little canyon thing. Yeah, that's what this is. So the wheat is on the other side of it, way over there. So in yesterday's video, I was talking about how this may not be our last field, depending if Shane needs help. Well, Mom and I finished the last field that we were going to cut, and Shane is probably a mile away cutting on the actual last field for this farmer. And rain is coming in about 2 to 3 hours, and we're not going to take any risk, and we're going to go help Shane finish the field that he's on. Which he's also running a stripper header, and we have drapers, so it's going to be a little funky, but needless to say, we're going to get this wheat knocked out. Well, most of the field looks like this, so you know exactly what we're about to do. I'm not getting out 500 times to unplug my chopper. Not happening. So we finished up helping Shane. We're going to pull headers off and well, I don't know what's next. We'll have to see. I think all of the wind is being sucked into that storm. That storm right there, that is coming directly for us. Don't y'all love it whenever I don't know the plan? Because I feel like it's all the time. I don't know what's going on. I could know what's going on and still don't know what's going on, if that makes sense. But what I do know what's going on is I'm going to pull my header off. That way we can get out of here, I believe.
Come back up.
Well, this is a change of scenery. No, we're not about to pick corn. But the header trailer for this corn header is at the fairgrounds. So I just went and picked it up from the farmer's barn, and I'm going to take it to the fairgrounds. That way we can set it on a header trailer. But having the draper on so far and then putting on the corn header, this header is extremely small. It looks tiny. And it also doesn't pick up as much. Like it feels like I'm gonna scrape the ground or something. Well, dang. Look at that beaut. S7 800. You know, I wouldn't mind trying one of them. So we just got done shuffling all of the trailers from the farmer's lot to the fairgrounds, and that is coming straight for us. Cody, do you have storms like this in Pennsylvania?
Yeah, what? I can't hear you.
I said, do you have storms like this in Pennsylvania?
No. We had a hurricane once.
I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna move out of his way though. So yesterday I didn't record much. We borrowed one of my dad's friend's air compressors. We got all the equipment cleaned up and we used that to clean up all the combines because they were nasty. We also cleaned up all the headers best that we can. Mom's header holds water, so there was a bunch of water that we had to drain out of it. It especially holds water when it's on the trailer. So we got all the headers cleaned up and combines cleaned up. And then today we're gonna rebuild Mom's sickle, and she's gonna get a new sickle bar, new sections, and new guards. Same thing that happened to my header we're gonna do on her header. And then also Mom's floor in her header is also gonna get redone. When we redid my floor, it had a hole over here, didn't it? Like right on this edge right here. It was super long. I don't think it was leaking grain because there's the metal piece right here, but it had a big old hole. And if you let that go, then it keeps on going. Oh, she does have a hole. It's right here. Okay. But yeah, we have too many projects to list. Y'all just try to keep up.
Blows.
Ready for some rocks.
Yeah.
Well, finish up with that project. And again, 10 out of 10. Don't recommend. Okay, on to the next one. So I think the last time we rebuilt the sickle, I said it comes in like 3 or 4 pieces. It comes in 5. So there's 5 different sections and 4 splice kits that make it up. So it's already made out with the sections on there, and then it has like a space right here that you put this right here, and you put, well, the bar is gonna go on top, then you put the sections, then you put this bar on top of the sections, and then you put the nuts. So anyways, I think I had said that it was like 3 or 4, it's actually 5. Like it doesn't even meet in the middle. So the only thing that's holding this thing on is this little bitty bar on the top and bottom. Wow.
Keep going. Keep going.
got quite the metal collection going on. Sickle sections, guards, parts of sickle bar, floor. Dang. Mom keeps on tearing up stuff, so here's
roast me. Go ahead.
This is a hydraulic line for her transmission that goes under it. We're gonna guess because all of the mud that
Dude.
in Mom's defense, they did rip that field and then it went and rained, I think 18 inches? It was 18 inches.
And it was a field that we have never cut before. So
True.
Go ahead, we'll make it up here at the end.
Okay. Alright. I think you're gonna miss the bucket, just so you. Oh, that wasn't that bad.
I hear oil leaking.
It's in the bucket.
Coming out of the old line.
Yeah.
We already made a mess. We're gonna have to wash off. That's why I wanted to do this before we washed them. I like it when it drips on my elbows.
Runs down to your armpit.
Mm-hmm.
It's the next day, which is also wash day. So far we have washed the 13, the 88, the 94, both hoppers, well, one combine trailer because the other one's perfectly clean. And now we're working on Mom's combine. And we're currently cleaning all of the mud out of her wheels and out from under the combine. But both combines are disgusting. The headers actually aren't even that bad. Dad might decide to not wash the headers, but both combines are really bad. The plan today is to wash all the equipment and kind of get things loaded this afternoon. So. I think Tafari's lined up over there, and he has my combine trailer, so I guess I'm gonna get in my combine and we're gonna start loading them. Tafari is currently laying on the ground looking for a level spot to load. I don't think they're having very much luck. Well, we finally got it on the trailer. I guess let's get to chaining.
How many of y'all noticed that this wasn't latched?
Well, first one's out of the way. On to the second one. Could you imagine if you had like 14 or 15 combines? Or even like 4? That's a lot of work. Which I guess you would have more guys than we have now, so it really wouldn't be more work. It would just be more times the work, but also more workers. I'm confusing myself. Anyways, let's load this combine. Doing an inspection job. This is really hard at night, by the way. We got Mom's combine loaded. And I think we're just gonna hook the rest of the stuff up in the daylight tomorrow morning. Which tomorrow morning will be a move day video, or at least the start of it. But anyways, that is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.